Everybody's Terry D Lab. In this video, we are going to do a comparison from a Dynaco ST-70 amplifier to the D Lab ST-7. And while we're performing the demo, I'm going to be enjoying some Robert Mondavi wine that my friend Ken shipped to me in the mail. Scott is actually the cameraman. He's sitting over here drinking a beer because he's not a wine guy. I'm working on him. So what we're going to do is we'll set the camera up at a predetermined distance from the ST-7. I've got the Polk R15 speakers, and we're going to be listening to Joe Jackson's Fool CD. Here we go.